It's week number 6 of our Mechanical Keyboard Day 2021 celebrations and almost halftime already. That's why we're giving away 2 mechanical keyboards and a Barebone this week only from our partner Mountain. Stay tuned to get all the infos you need. The main prize this week will be the Mountain Everest Max, the flagship mechanical keyboard from the German manufacturer. This is a modular concept. The main element is an 80% keyboard with a high quality aluminum top plate. Then there's a magnetic wrist rest with a PU leather cover. The next component is the Numpad, which can be attached to the left or right side of the keyboard, or even at some distance thanks to the USB-C expansion cable. Another special feature is that Mountain integrates 4 mini display keys in the Numpad, which can be programmed with any shortcuts, functions or macros. You can also freely choose the symbols of the displays. But the most striking feature is the next module, the so-called media dock. You can also attach it either on the left or right side of the keyboard's upper edge. Not only does it allow you to control your media using the dedicated keys, but it also has a control wheel with an integrated display that has a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. You can use the media dock to control RGB effects, switch through macro profiles or display data from your PC, for example. The next highlight of this keyboard, the Mountain Everest Max uses a hot swappable PCB, so you can change the switches quickly and easily with the supplied tools. Mountain even includes a variety of MX switches, so you can try out the different characteristics for yourself. The second prize is the Mountain Everest Core. This is basically the main element of the Mountain Everest Max, which is the 80% mechanical keyboard without the numpad and wrist rest for all your purists out there. And the third and final prize this week is the Mountain Everest Barebone, which comes without switches and keycaps. But it also features genuine cherry stabilizers, which are even pre-lubricated. But we wouldn't be Cherry MX if we didn't send you the Barebone with a bag full of our switches. So the winner has the choice between our MX RGB red, silent red, blue, brown or speed silver switches. To win one of these 3 great prizes here, check out the video description below and follow the link to the contest. It's pretty simple, to be honest. Answer 2 questions correctly, follow a few of our social channels and you're in the draw. However, you'll increase your chances of winning if you follow some more of our accounts as well as Mountains, so that's not the worst idea. With that in mind, good luck and happy Mechanical Keyboard Day.